welcome back for today's session. There are few queries. So first of all, I'm answering your exercise 9.5, question number 5, seventh part, how to solve this. So here is the solution for that particular part. Question is x raised to the power 4 minus y plus z raised to the power 4. First of all, you need to convert it in the form of a square minus b square. So x raised to the power 4 is the whole square of x square, and y plus z raised to the power 4 is the whole square of y plus z square whole square. Now this is a square and this is b square. In between minus is there. So what is a is x square. What is a is x square. So a square. What is b is y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square is b and then whole square. So that is b square. A square minus b square you know is a plus b into a minus b. Now put the value of a. A is a you have to replace a plus b. A you have to replace by x square, that is here, and plus b. So that's why I'm using curly bracket plus small bracket, because this is a binomial. So I will be putting inside the small brackets. Y plus z square is the value of b, as I told here. This is the square of b. So y plus z square. So a plus b. Similarly into a minus b. A again is x square and b is y plus z whole square. Here the possibility of expansion is there. If you want to leave it like this, you can. Otherwise you can expand this y plus z whole square, because you know is a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So you can expand it also if you want. Otherwise you can leave it as it is. But here if you see, again this is there in the form of a square minus b square. This is x square and this is y plus z whole square. Now your a is x and b is y plus z. So a plus b into a minus b. So put the value of x is x here and y means b is a is x here and b is what? Y plus z. A plus b. A minus b. So then use the square bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the small bracket. Please learn how to make uses of these brackets in order. And then finally you need to close this bracket here. So now this you can leave as it is. No special formula you need to apply over there. Here you can solve the bracket. It will become x plus y plus z, x minus y minus z. And that will be the answer for your this question. I hope that is clear, because twice you have to apply in one of the part a square minus b square, because question factorization till it is possible keep on doing the factorization, but try to identify what is a and what is b. I can understand questions are somewhere of high order thinking, not that much easy, but by practices definitely you can overcome all these kind of difficulties. Other queries were there, that do we need to do these assignments in our fair notebooks? So answer is no need to do these assignments in fair notebooks, but what you can do separately, you can make notes of all these assignments wherever you want to make, either on sheets or in some other registers or notebooks. So at the time of examination, you can have a good number of questions from the revision point of view, other than that of your textbook, and definitely will be a great help for you all to prepare for your examinations. One more query was there कि sometime only hardly few comments I am getting a video is not clear. If anything like that you are finding anywhere, please let me know personally also. Otherwise, before sending every video, I am checking it personally and then only I am sending it to you. You also need to check your devices. If you do have laptops, you can drive the same link on your laptop also. I think the visibility will be there, but still if any problem is there, do not feel shy. Feel free to speak to me. I can do whatever is possible for me, and I'm trying my level best to give you the best what so far is possible within myself. So thank you, and now I will give you the remedy of this test whatever I have given to you on 25th. So there are questions given to you. First question was based upon your middle term splitting, and three parts were there. Each part was consisting of 3 marks. I hope you all are clear with middle term splitting. First part was x square minus 13x plus 42. Now procedure already I have explained to you. So you know in 13x 42, 6 and 7. So x square minus 6x minus 7x plus 42. So 6 and 7 13, and 6 into 7 is plus 42. X common, x minus 6 minus 7 common, then again it is x square, this is plus 42, sorry, so minus 6 will be there. So here it is x minus 6 into x minus 7. So 1 mark for each step you can write there, and that will take you to 3 marks. So answer will be x minus 6 into x minus 7. Then it was B part. So B part was 2x square plus 14x plus 24. So if you multiply 2 and 24, that gives you 48. So you have to get the factor of 48. I think 6 and 8 will help you there, or 2x square plus 6x plus 8x plus 24, because 6 plus 8 is 14 and 6 into 8 is 48. So again you can take 2x common, here it will be x plus 3 plus 8 common, again it will be x plus 3. So your answer will left over there x plus 3 into 2x plus 8. So if you want to take 2 out, x plus 3, because 2 is common there, you can write that, and x plus 4. So finally you can conclude there 2 into x plus 4 or x plus 3. 1, you can leave your answer here also, no issues. So 1 1 and 1, so 3 marks you can give in that way. Then third part was y square minus 10y plus 21. So you have to do the factors of 21. So 10, 7 and 3 will be there. Y square minus 3y minus 7y plus 21. Take y common. Here it is y minus 3 minus 7 common. Again it is y minus 3. So you will left with y minus 3 into y minus 7. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3 marks. So these are all the answers for your first question, all 3 parts. Then in fourth question, I have asked you write an algebraic expression in which factorization can be done by middle term splitting, and then factorize the same. So that you have to think any algebraic expression. First of all, you need to give a second thought key to which we are applying. Suppose you are thinking, I said to degree 2, it is x square. Then you think of any number. Suppose you are thinking I will take 10 here. So then 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. So if you are thinking in plus, so 5 plus 2 will be 7x. So if you are thinking in minus, 1 is minus 5 minus 2, then you put here 3x. So in that way you can write and then do the factorization. So x square plus 5x plus 2x, because already I have planned in that way. 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. If you need 5 minus 2, then you write here 3x. And in that way you can think about many ones. Then you do the factorization, you will be getting x common into what? X plus 5 plus 2 common into x plus 5. This is a kind of creativity. We need to check whether that possibility is there. Did you understand this middle term splitting? Are you there to form an write an algebraic expression with degree 2 in which the middle term splitting is possible? So please see and give full 4 marks if you have done. If your expression is correct, 2 marks for that, and then 1 for these steps you can write finally. If the algebraic expression you have written correctly but the factorization is not done, I don't think this will happen. Who have done this, definitely he or she is going to proceed correctly in other steps also. But if your algebraic expression you have written correctly, give 2 marks. For other steps you can keep 1 marks reserve, and then the question will be of 4 marks. It was given. Then in next question, again 3-4 parts were there. You need to factorize. A part was there. This was consisting of your 4x cube minus x. Now again you see x is common there, so inside the bracket I will left with 4x square minus 1, and here I know this is the square of 2x and 1 is always the square of 1. So inside the bracket I am getting a square minus b square. So now this is a. Here I can write 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So this is the answer for your first part of your question number 3. Then second was you have to factorize x square plus y square plus 2xy. Simply that is x plus y whole square if you see, and your factorization for the same will be x plus y into x plus y. A square plus b square plus 2ab is always equal to a plus b whole square, and that can be expanded in terms of factor x plus y into x plus y twice. And third part was there 9p square plus 16q square, and then it was minus 24pq. In fourth question we did this, when I told you if there are two perfect squares, otherwise you can think about middle term splitting once again here. That is also possible. But as I told you, when there are two perfect squares, so what you can do is you can write this is 3p square, this is 4q square minus 2, because this is a square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 3p into 4q. 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. So then you can check, this is your 3p minus 4q whole square. So then factorized form will be 3p minus 4q into 3p minus 4q. So that will be the answer for this. Now three parts were there, and this was consisting of your 5 marks. 5 marks means 3 marks for this, and 1 for this, and 1 for this. Then last question was of only 2 marks. You have to find the product of x plus 2 into x plus 3. I hope all of you are now comfortable in that identity, x plus a into x plus b, because question was find the product. So not suitable identity was asked. So what you can do in any way. Otherwise it is x plus a into x plus b. So x square plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 3. A square plus a plus b into x plus a into b will take you directly to the answer of this question, and 1 mark for this, 1 for this, and total 2 marks. So here you have to keep a watch upon your answers. Stepwise marking you can do. So that's all about the solution of your test. Please do your evaluation, and if any doubts are there with this remedy, you can keep a watch upon your mistakes and make a note of your mistakes also, and check your score. Thank you.